Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog. I'm very special, and guys, thank you so much for clicking this video. So it's all morning over here, and I was coming live and clear from that restaurant. Actually, their name is here. Oh, it's a lower language, guys. It's so hard for me to read, but I want to say thank you so much for always joining these videos every day. And if you haven't subscribed, please guys subscribe. And I'm just over here. It's all morning. I thank God for the gift of life. So right now I want to prepare myself, eating the food, and maybe taking you around some city, around going this way. So I hope yesterday you enjoyed my videos, but most of the people ask me, hello baby, where is your bag? My bag is inside on the room, and I can't talk with my bag all the way. Probably, guys, I take your comments seriously. You ask me, how do you travel with one shirt and this and this? If you know this shirt, comment. So right now, this hotel known as Akwach. It's right here. And it's a low words. If you are watching these videos and you are part of Kisumu, just comment on the comment section. So probably right now the time was so limit here. So after taking my food inside here, I'm supposed to go down that way and show you around. Guys, I hope you're ready for this. So let's go. Maybe I'll take chips. I'll sit here. I'll sit here. It's my final. Sit here as I wait the food. So guys, I'm just over here, and actually I'm waiting the food. So I normally take chapati and some sodas, which I'm not maybe drinking every day. I take one after a while. So this is where I'm living right now, and it's a clean hotel and where accommodation of the rooms here and there, guys. If you want to take chips, we have chili here. We have tomato, like tomato sauce here. Wow. These have salt here. Also have toothpick. Because I'm going to take soda, I have the straw here, right here. So let's see how this goes, guys. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you my bag. For those people who keep insisting, where's your traveling bag and some clothes, I'll show you. So don't mind. So let me have my breakfast as we proceed to the next step. But for me, I'm supposed to take some sardine, no, not sardine, French fry and soda. So right now they haven't prepared French fries, so I'm supposed to take chapati, and then we go. Okay guys, this is chapati for me, and I'm waiting the soda. So after that, maybe I'll wash my hands right there. So I'm waiting to be served, guys. And two of them goes to $1. So cent. Okay guys, so let me wash my hands right here. Let's wash my hands right here. Oh. my straw here. And then like this. So guys, let's pray for my breakfast as we move on. Thank you, Father, bless my food that in front of my table. This is all I pray, man. Time to take my breakfast. So guys, we are waiting this day, and now it's have already turned it. Guys, this chapati for you. Let me enjoy the food, and then we shall meet on the next place. Guys, I'm keep enjoying my food, and that's how I do things here. This one goes to $1. Like I spend a day like $7 in the morning and lunchtime. Guys, let me enjoy the food. Now guys, I finished eating food, so let's go this way. Go. This is Kisumu City for you guys. So in case you're new here, subscribe. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's vlog. But I'm actually going this way, and then I'll show you Oginga Odinga streets for the first time here, and the selling car here. Let's go. So I'm totally confused. Am I going straight? Going this way? Going this way? So it depends. Let's see how things go. Okay. Let's go this way. It's a roundabout here. Okay. We keep moving, guys. So it's all morning over here, and probably that's how it looks like. Let's go. Sometimes, guys, I feel so crazy here and there. Right now it's back to school. There's some growth right there. Let's go, guys, and see. That's tuk-tuk. So they have a lot of tuk-tuk here and there. We have Prime Bank here. Oh, so let's go. Mm-hmm. 21. So today's another day. Yesterday used this route, so today, oh, let's keep going. On the streets. Probably it's all morning over here, and that's how things they are here. Let's pass this way. Guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And right on, I'm in Kisumu, so I want to show you Oginga Odinga. There's so electronic here. So I'm keep going this way. Wow, 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 guys. Nice bike here. Oh, yesterday I took a U-turn on that tall building round. That is it. And today I was coming from there, but I'm heading this way and then go down. Wow, let's go and see. It's known as Mosque Road, so supposed to go down this way. Oh, so I mastered that tall building, so I'm staying on the other side opposite. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. Maybe we shall meet on the next vlog. A bicycle. Let's go and see. Guys, if I don't want to get lost, I must master this house here, and then because I'm staying on the next step. Oh, we have the bank here. So guys, let me sit here and have some short break here, because man, if you're not keen, you will lost here. But for me, I master this house because I'm staying on the other side right there. Wow. So I'm walking on this street and to experience life in Kisumu City as a village boy. And guys, today I will show you my bag, but because I was traveling from my home and I was harassing things in order, so I tied my bag on the motorbike. It went with the motorbike, and then I pick on my stage, and then I start traveling. So I reach here at night time, and probably yesterday in the morning I wake up with the shirt which I travel from my home. People ask me, hello baby, why do you travel with one shirt? If you already see this shirt, just comment. And I'm here to take you around to experience driving the city as a village boy. And for me, that's how I'm start traveling around my country, and then maybe from that I'll make my passport, start traveling one place after another. But for now, for me, I'm just do it my own thing at my own pace. If I get a small amount of money, I decide, okay, today let's go this way, let's go this place, so at least to experience life in city and life in my village. Bro, baby, I was getting that boy. So that's how Kisumu looks like, and for me, let me do it, guys. So for those people who haven't subscribed for the first time we're watching these videos, it will depend the time where you are. Maybe it's morning, afternoon, good evening. Please subscribe to my channel. Load to 7K subscriber. I really appreciate for the love and support, guys. Hey, tuk. I think when I was coming from other side, I will book the tuk-tuk. I'll book the tuk-tuk. So guys, let's do this. Keep going. It's a clean, guys. It's a clean town by itself. Sometimes I go around beautiful trees. Sometimes I go around and then, like yesterday, make a mistake. I use another route which are not heading to the place where I'm staying. I think here it's Momentum Credit over here. That is it. We have the commercial bank here, we have family bank, we have credit bank, we have central bank. Imagine all those stuff. And that being said, I see central bank. within here. As I keep rolling the videos, you know. You have already known, guys. It's a clean street. It's a clean street. They are selling flowers and roses there. Wow. Wow. In fact, I love this place. 100% love this place. Today's amazing video. You just wait. Today you'll see something which I'm going to hire, taking me around, and then I don't want maybe to book the Uber because somehow it's expensive here. You will see what I'm going to book for taking me around, coming back, going back this way. This is another story, and actually this is a road highway. It's go this way, that way, you know. So today we turn the route. Let's go. I'll do something unique for you. You wait as we go. You wait. This is a zebra crossing. We're going the other side. Wow. Sometimes, guys, I get some disadvantage here, copyright here and there, but probably I will be louder than the music, you know. So let's do it this. Let's do this big machine. Hey. Let's do this. I'm telling you. Let's do this. So much thing for you guys. Look, it's a clean town by itself. Bicycle, hey, you can't even run that. It's going up to that way. So guys, let's keep rolling these videos to the end, and tell your friend to join my premiere. If you are my premiere game, let's do this. Wow. Tourist vehicle, it's going up that way, man. Alright, let's do this. Whoa. That bicycle. Tuk-tuk. Guys, I hope you're ready for this. Something which I'm going to hire. You will see. It will take me around, because right now I'm not like contented too much of the motorbike. When I'm in my village, I ride my bike here and there, right, left, center, you know. So you'll see. I'm keep heading this way, and actually for me, let me walk on this place here. We'll see, guys. And right now, somehow my screen of my camera doesn't show much clear photos here and there, so I shoot randomly. Hey, there's a mall here. I'm telling you, Kisumu Mall. You know. Hey. Life in the city as a village boy. What I didn't expect. But maybe you see me on this beautiful city. One day you see me in Jamaica. One day you see me in US. And I'm trying to grinding so hard, so to chase my dream here and there, and actually it will become the reality. So for you, this Maseno University right here that you see over here. I'm keep going, I'm telling you. And I wish I knew one day I could brought my brother at Maseno University. It's a well clean university, and for me I comment on that. Maybe my second brother, I'll take him to this university here. Wow, you see, guys. And for him, he was learning in Irongo University. Also, it's a good. Oh, it's a wedding. Look at that. It's a wedding. Sometime wedding take in Africa. You see how the cow are being like tinted with rose here and there. Wow. Probably, let's go, guys. Oi, Omera! Take me around. Rafiki yangu. Let's do this. They'll take me around. Must be very careful. Unapiga kazi? Mimi nafanya video yangu. Unaweza nipepo unizungushe na desk.
Bwana naenda job. Sasa nimefunga ngware naingia kwa mwindi hapa milimani.
Sisi nadhani hizo baiskeli zinafanya kazi.
Kufanya kazi zinafanya. Hii ni boda. Lakini sasa kazi yake sasa nimefunga na natakana niingie hapa
milimani ni wapi?
No?
Mlimani ni wapi?
Nimeamka na hiyo barabara.
Maana unaweza nizungushe na baiskeli kisikia raha. Sasa unajua mimi natumiaga pikipiki sana.
Lakini ngoja tu ingine inakuja.
Tena? Si nisogeze basi hata kidogo nisikie vile baiskeli inakimbia.
Nimechelewa si bai saa 3.
Tutaniachia hata hapo tu. Niachie tu hata hapo tu. Ndio mwingine akinibeba. Niachie tu hadi hapo. Nimependa tu kutoka jana. Na iko sawa. Oh, ushafunga kazi? Labda uliwahi asubuhi sana.
Mimi naingianga tu saa 12. Sababu inafaa niingie saa 3. Hata nisikae tu kwa nyumba mpaka saa 3.
Hamna. As a VAT. Jana nilikuwa natoka huko sijui local beach. Nikaambia mtu nipeleke kwa nini ya Wahindi au kanzi 20. Mtu ananipeleka sijui kuna ya juu ya chini na nilipotea.
Ulikuwa unataka kwa msikiti yao. Ndio huko chini.
Huko nyuma huko pale nimetoka. Hizi baiskeli mmezitengeneza zifanyi kelele. Inapanda kama mountain. Guys, right now I'm booking this bicycle. It wants to take me around. So although I'm in government place, I don't want to show you guys. Like, let's go. Okay, guys, I'm in bicycle right now. Uko ndani? Hawezi kata? Oh, kuna swimming pool uko ndani. Oh. Bure. Hawezi kata? Sitaki kusumbuana na watu mimi. Kama hawasumbui ni yake. Kama wanasumbua achana nao.
Hapa hawasumbui.
Unaweza ogelea bure?
Ogelea unajua.
Okay. Oh guys, what he was telling me, we have the swimming pool right there, and maybe one day I could be joining that place. That's what I book. Take me around at Kisumu City here. Here where events take place, maybe you came with your kids enjoying, and here football match taking place. Guys, I love to sit on a bicycle. Na zimetulia hizi baiskeli. Na ukuri penye matajiri wanaishi. Guys, this way like rich people hide. You can't tell. Look. Kuna siku nilikujaga huko lakini ilikuwa 2023.
Ile Victoria.
Victoria School? Primary. Oh, this is Victoria Primary. Because they are staying near the lake within here. That's Victoria Primary School right there. Na hii bado hapa ni?
Hii bado ni milimani tu.
This is milimani?
Watu wanaishi.
Oh, here. It's a clean restaurant. But it's expensive to stay on this house there. It's an expensive, I'm telling you. Maybe per day you can spend on that restaurant there. Per day you can spend, maybe say the lowest money, $30 per day. Like one more night. Right.
This is residential. This is your B&B. This is residential.
Like maybe, for example, people came from abroad, they can stay there.
They can stay there, even just within, provided you can afford to you can afford to sort out the issue of the rent.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I get construction going there. These are school, guys. Institution place, like a classroom. That's how they can maybe be constructed.
Grade 9.
Yes, grade 9. Yeah, we had say like junior school. So right now they're building some classes. Oh. Guys, I'm enjoying the ride for the bicycle. When I'm in my village, I normally ride the bike, motorbike here and there. So right now we are in a government place. I'm supposed maybe to pause my video. I don't want to issue maybe some police here and there. Here. Right. It's in your hairline. Oh.
That white wall on the other side. That is a state lodge.
Okay. So this is the school that I was showing you on the other side. Victoria School right here. Motto Victoria ever. Hey, defeat. Don't mind too much. We have the local shop here. Hey. So per day, how much you make per day with your bicycle? for the like income per day?
For the income per day is around 400.
Oh, that's what you make per day.
And when I put it to average, after 30 days.
This is a government place?
Yeah, government place.
Yeah, I don't want to show people. I hope guys you see.
You can take us to go.
Mm-hmm.
But then you don't stand there.
This is a judiciary place, so. And this one is? Yeah? Huduma Center. Oh, if you lost your ID, passport. So, like, if I want to make my passport, it can take me how many long? Right there, guys. So maybe I want to know, maybe if maybe it's delayed, I don't want to make. If I get fast as possible, I can make.
Yeah, if you want it fast as possible, then you'll have to dig deep in your pocket.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, guys.
Even if you dig deep into your pocket,
Mm-hmm.
even within 2-3 days.
All right. So next time when I came and I spend time here, I'll come with money. Like I'll come around 30,000. I know it's 7,000 for like registration and all stuff. I tell them I give them all 30,000 to give me within 3 days.
Yes.
Okay.
Going down one.
Okay, I know. Guys, I'm keep enjoying. Mm-hmm. Okay. Wow. So guys, imagine per day he can make the minimum $4. So right now I give him $2.5 so he can take me around. Oh, life in Kisumu city, guys, not what I expected, but as a village boy I need to experience life. Imagine I'm on the bicycle. We say amigo. Another bicycle right there. Let's explore, guys, and see. I'm telling you, I'll never go and hire the motorbike or a Uber because I need to experience this life. Naweza enda mbele straight. Nilitoka chini ukistaki kurudi. This roundabout here. And Kisumu city, guys, it's a clean city, guys, I'm telling you. Oh. Excavator or bulldozer. The one there. We keep going, and the way I am, it's a post bank. People withdraw the money saving, like I mean right there. Let's go, guys, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for my premiere again. Don't miss on today's vlog. I was waiting this day, and right now it's already targeted. So they sold here Mercedes-Benz, Jeep. Oh, big machine. Guys, if you're watching my videos, drop on the comment section my dream car. I want to know. Drop on the comment section my dream car. And these are Sarona Inferior. So that some business going here. Yeah? Oh. This is a big hotel. One day I'll book this hotel, I'm telling you. If I'm trying to grinding hard, one day. Known as Sarona Inferior Plaza, I think so. One day I'll book that. Wow. Like in government places. Imagine, have flowers alongside. Look, waiting bench. You can sit there as we wait maybe somebody. I'm telling you guys, right now I feel like I'm in Europe. I'm telling you. Oh, this is Kentia's Victoria supermarket. That one here. Yesterday I buy some toothbrush there and some brush. Hey. So people have some authority to sweep. Yeah, and there you can see. Going there straight. Let's go straight. Let's go straight. That's a kind of a pot right there. Hey, the picture of Kiam. So he told me the picture. Yeah. That guy's shocked. Like I'm filming on my bicycle. Oh, tuk-tuk. Hey. Maybe when I go back, I'll hire tuk-tuk. Kwenda chini ndo kuzuri ama mbele. Usiende hivi. No. Uende mbele. Hey. Yeah, you must be very careful. Don't enter too straight. Every corner, roundabout. I see the street boy sleeping there. Let's go, guys. Oh. Wow. Wait, come here. Oh, this road go to Kakamega? Okay. Wow, guys. I haven't seen this is a matatu van here. They are doing matatu.
Commuters van.
Yes?
The commuters van.
Okay. So this road going to Kakamega. Nairobi.
Nairobi is the other one.
Okay. Okay, guys, that's how life is here. And at the place where I can book, maybe going to Sirari, Migori.
Here.
Here?
Here.
Okay.
Or inside there.
Okay.
Main bus park is there. But
Okay.
even here you can book their meters here.
Oh, okay. Okay, I will come and book the shuttle. Yes. We keep going, guys. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's vlog. Whoa.
That is Sales Union.
Sing?
Sales Union.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
People they can sing?
The Hindu community.
Oh.
Those
Oh, the Hindu community stay here as they practice the club. Yeah, I know. Like they have nightclub.
I say that's their social place now.
Yeah. Where some activity taking place. Even other side, if you have the kids, they can enjoy here. Oh. There's a mall? Neighbors? Oh, I haven't knew. That's the mall, guys, right there. Oh, yeah. I remember. This is Karen. Okay. Wow, guys. Yeah. This is Karen for you. Here. I think when I came with David Jr., I was being here. Yes, Karen. Whoa. Guys, I remember this place, maybe. Remember, guys, this bicycle exists here. No, you can take a roundabout and go up. Yes. This goes to Kakamega. So I need to take a U-turn. I'm enjoying on the bicycle, man. Wow, let's go. Even you have another one here. It's excellent.
That's a site that constructing houses there.
Okay. A flyover road?
No, houses.
Okay.
Yeah.
For a military?
That's
Oh.
for residential, but
Oh, ni kama zile ghorofa ndefu kwenda juu. Okay.
like the other ones down there. Don't show me who's there.
I see. Wanaruhusu watu kuingia hapo? Kuna hoteli. Okay, you can take me there as we eat, we drink juice and then we go. In our journey, guys, I was sitting here. Let's go. Labda jioni tutakuja huko tena ama kesho unizungushe tena hapa ingine. Afadhali baiskeli sasa pikipiki kingiri Spain.
Hata pikipiki huwezi enjoy vitu umeenjoy.
Nina pikipiki na pikipiki mbili nyumbani. Sasa mara nyingi mimi nakuwa kwa pikipiki.
Bado nataka kitu ile matembezi ambao naona vipi. Pole pole rafiki.
Yeah, bicycle. Let's go, guys. These are Hindus taking place, like music, dances at night. Hey, babu. We'll keep rolling, guys. And maybe, guys, today people will ask Melo, baby, what's up? But I'm going to show you my bag that have my clothes on that restaurant. So because of most of the people, oh, this basket? Okay, I will come here and book maybe at the business pineapple. Yeah. So tomorrow I'll come and book them in the evening time to book the shuttle. Yes. Another bicycle right there.
This one here. This road.
Nivu watakunieke huko.
Nairobi.
Oh, this one. Oh.
This one.
Okay. Going to Nairobi, guys. Migori. Okay. Well. Okay, yeah. So this is a roundabout. So this is a government place. You can take picture here. Okay, maybe next time. Where? Here. Oh, penye tulikuwa. Wow. So this Kisumu Referral Hospital. Yes. Even other on motorbike enjoying right there. Kisumu County Referral Hospital. Yesterday I was being here, passing random. Guys, I feel so sad. Sometimes I see some street boys sniffing the glue, and I feel bad. Oh. Take a roundabout. Barambam, that is what? Oh, wow. They're selling shoes here. Wow. Okay. Hold to 9. Oh, if you go down and then you go this way. Okay. You go, let's go. Twende mbele.
Naweza ingia huko na kufunga.
Astaki nije niwe muda wako. Oh. This is a petrol station here, known as Ola petrol station. Ola Energy. That one here. They fill gas. Ooh, and a coach down there. Oh, this is a mosque? Yeah. A shrine? This is a shrine right here. Tuk all the way. That being said earlier, guys, I was master this house, and then I'm staying opposite this way. You see down there? Yes, I'm staying opposite here. Okay, I'll show. Huko ndo unakaaga huko? Audi. Penye nimekuta huko ndo unakaaga?
Huko ndo vile ndo bezi yangu.
Aya, siku nyingine nikikuja mimi nitakutafuta huko tena. Wewe sasa utakuwa unajua pale nitakuwa naishi. Nikikwambia nipeleke huko unanipeleka mosque. Shireen, that's a mosque. It's not a mosque, it's a Shireen. Where Hindus pray. A mosque is for Muslim. Yes. That's a Shireen. Na mnajua hizi barabara ni nyingi, hadi inaweza kuwa confused. Nani unakuta ni moja lakini imeshikana shikana. Here they're selling cars here. Down here. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, for me I'm staying here on this restaurant.
Now here.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Okay, you're welcome. And thank you for a good service.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye. Guys, this place is the place where I'm sleeping here. And this is my phone. Over here, I have toothbrush and some toothpaste. This is my Wi-Fi. All the way from my village, I must travel with my Luther Wi-Fi. And for those people asking me, hello baby, where is your bag? How did you manage to travel with one shot? Look, I have my bag here. Although when I was traveling from my home, I escort my bag to the bus station. And then this is my jacket here. You see, right here. And then this is my shirt, you see, which I was having yesterday. That one here, guys. So it's time to pack things and we go. Guys, let me pack things. You shall see me outside. Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog, a very special. And guys, I thank God for the gift of life. So today I'm leaving right now. So this is my bag here, over here. For those people asking me, hello baby, why do you manage to travel with one shot? I'm telling you, I have my bag here. But I was keeping on this restaurant here where I booked the room, and it was so nice. My yesterday night was so nice, and I decided to travel going back home. So let me pick this one here. I said goodbye this place, so let's go. Let's do this. Wow, it's time to go. It's time to go back. Right now, guys, I left Kisumu for good. Wow. And in case you're new here, let me know. Oh. Guys, that's how I go back to my village. So right now, I left Kisumu, and I'm going to pick I'm going to hire the car. Wow. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Like my videos. Okay. Wow. That's how we go. This is Kisumu City for you guys. Oh, really live here. So finally, I'm going home. So it takes me 3 days, and I think it's enough for me. But if I have more, I can spend. You know. Wow. So right now, right now, guys, I'm heading home. Let's see. Whoa, I miss my family a lot, but all in well, I'm just outside working so hard here and there, and to make sure that dream come to reality. Let's go. For my premiere again, you'll get this video. Oh, tuk-tuk all the way. Wow. Right here we have the mall. Right here. So this road is, man, you go a bit down, you go up, but let's do this. For those people asking me, hello baby, what's up? Did you see my bag? Right now, I'm doing in daytime, in morning time. You see what I'm holding, guys. I'm not the guy who faking things, guys, for sure. Wow. Probably you will find me in a bus station right now. Wow. Hey, guys, I'm telling you, the bag is so heavy. Even I can't manage to shoot the videos like 2 days or 1 day in Nairobi, in Kisumu City, walking with my bag. I'm telling you, I'm going straight. There's a roundabout here. Wow. So I'm going straight. Going straight. I'm going straight, guys. Going straight. Here you must be very careful. You know, must be very careful. Well, guys, so today I'm decided to walk with my bag. Actually, yesterday people start complaining, hello baby, where is your bag, where and what and stuff. So today, after showing you where I'm sleeping and all stuff, actually right now I'm trying to experience here and there. So I take your comments seriously, and for my good people, I will never let you down. So I came with my bag, like let me say on my previous day, and it's so late, but I can't manage walking with my bag. But today I decide, let me walk with my bag, so maybe for my good subscriber, they can see that I have my bag. I'm keep going this way, and wow, up to my another destination. We keep moving on, you know. Let's go. So on this vlog today, I decide to hire a bicycle, because in my village I ride the motorbike. So here I can't afford maybe taking the Uber. Wow. So just going, you know. Moving on. Health stagnant here. But probably it's a clean city right now, as you can see there. I'm in Muru Street right now, where I'm walking to, you know, going that way. I'm in Muru Street, Kisumu City. Not what I expected, but I probably let's enjoy. with this vibe. Wow. You can sit here making story as like graduating people here and there. So guys, I'm heading this way. Oh, let's go. I love this place. Maybe a day when I left, so it depends, maybe the time, month, but probably, imagine, you can sit here. You can sit here, guys. I thank government of Kenya. They build a waiting bench. You can sit here, relaxing, maybe seeing amazing view like this. Wow. Probably, let's go. But a day I will try maybe a tuk-tuk on my motorbike. So that's the reason why, guys, I left my bag, the room which I booked. So right now, guys, I feel so tired. But all in well, let's go. It's almost safe for you. So right now it's back to school. Most of the parents right now, they are taking kids to school here and there. Go. Let's go and explore. But more amazing videos coming. Watch it to the end. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like my video, share to your family, tell your friend, let's watch Hello Baby Official. And guys, please don't skip ads. G4S, yeah. But yeah, please guys, if you wanna support me on my videos, don't skip ads anymore. We keep rolling these videos to the end, and guys, I wanna say stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. now I'm just continue with our journey to show you Kisi for you. No, Kisumu, guys, for you. Wow, it's a beautiful. It's a beautiful. Wow. See, guys, so beautiful. So beautiful, guys. Let's see. Alright, guys, so I'm just over here and I'm keep going home, but our car got a punch right there, so probably from now they try to change the tire and then we go. The first car right there got a puncture, so we try to change the tire and then we go. So that's how we pass some challenges here and there. Wow. Whoa! It's an amazing view. Even here we find the cactus, guys, alongside the road. Look, for free. But in our home there, every home that you go, maybe you find them. Some of their home. This no, aloe vera, not cactus, guys. Sometimes, you know, I'm speechless and then I got confused. Aloe vera. It treats malaria. At the same time, it treats waterborne disease or airborne disease that affect some chicken in our village. You see the tuk-tuk right there. There's a tuk-tuk. Hey! So guys, let me have a seat here as I wait, guys. And the place where we are right now, known as Nyakach, they're found within Kindu Bay, and then after Kindu Bay we go to Homa Bay. Whoa! Imagine our car got puncture. And then for me, I decide, let me get out of the car. So they are changing, guys. So I want to say, guys, this is my last day in Kisumu City. So right now I'm going home, and then by God willing or by God's plans, it depends the time and month. I will show you the next destination that I'm thinking right now. That's how I'm start traveling around my country. Oh, look, big tractors, guys. So I think it's time to go back. Wow. Some of the people I see, they try to change from the car to the motorbike because of time delaying, and for me, I pay the money, I have the receipt, so there's no need to change. Let's go. Let me show you guys how our car maybe gets punched. Maybe other people ask me, hello baby, what's up? You just wait. I got the silent killer. Wanna look at this. These are tuk-tuk. Some luggage here. I wonder, guys. Hey, big tractor. Let's see. I'm telling you guys. And it's so hot over here. I'm keep going that way, going back home. I experience life here and there. So actually, let's see how things goes. There's an ambulance. Woo! It goes at a high speed. Our couch got stuck here. It's right there. Oh, as I showing you around, we have the car bat down here. Yeah. Most of the time, there's some challenges, guys. So yeah, we have the beautiful shade here. There's no need maybe to start complaining. Oh, whoa, this and this, man. No, that's the situation. Sometimes car got punctured, get stuck. You know, we need to understand. Let's start going free. An amazing view from here. Going that way, you see that track. So for me, I'm so grateful for the love and support, guys. You really supporting me, and I can't take things for granted. I appreciate you guys a million times, because without you, I couldn't manage to come in Kisumu City. But that being said, on my last video I'm doing at home, I say I'll change the content, and I want to become a real travel. I'm telling you guys, I want to become a real travel. You see? But I didn't understand. Maybe it's on this vlog, or while I'm in Kisumu. I'm telling you guys, please comment. What did you think about my dream car? Comment, guys, comment. Because probably from now, that's what my target, after maybe finishing my mama building the dream house. Although it's not an easy job, we must maybe collect materials here and there, you know. So probably this month I'll make something new, guys, for you, because it keep touching me to do this for my mom. So even coming to Kisumu, I'm trying to have like a short break, coming back to Kisumu, relaxing, left my mind to be set, and then right now it's time to go back home. So like on that car right there, it has a lot of music, so I can't film while inside the car. But probably when I reach to Migori, I'll film. Maybe I'll show you a little bit as we go. But from now, guys, even at the same time, I'm so tired like a goat. So I'm trying to think what's next, man. You see, hey, car is moving, going to Kisumu direct. Kisumu direct. This is another part of Nyanza region, known as Kisumu Dala. Maybe this is a deep village here, Kisumu. But when you go that way, you go to the capital city of Kisumu. You see? I'm telling you guys. Hey, people on motorbike. But it look like a dry season. So right now we are on the month of January. So this month it's so hot, guys. Even you can see how I'm sweating, guys. It's so hot. Wow. I'm sweating, I'm telling you. I'm sweating, guys. What's a bike? Wow. So, look at that amazing view. Going that way. Guys, let me take you back. Between a Mazda and a Crown, which did you prefer? Those two cars, I love it. Hey! Right. Speed governor, look. Crazy. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. We shall meet on the next video. It depends, maybe, guys. But for now, our car stuck there. But it is what it is. And after that, maybe when they change the tires, we keep explore as going back home. That being said earlier, it was my last day in Kisumu. But I enjoy, experience a lot here and there. I want to become a true traveler from my village. Yes. Guys, I met the village boy here. Piga kabisa. Sasa uimbe wimbo. Hauna? Imba kijairo cha chochote unajua tu. Suimbe. Hadi hata soko winyo. Suimbe tu. Iko sawa. Piga. He was talented, guys. I'm telling you. Sasa ni kamba gani ile ya uzi? Wagunia haikatiki. Sungetafuta ile ya unajua saiso? Hiyo ni saiso. Hii ni saiso? Oh, kwa ndani haya piga. Hey, Coca-Cola. Baba kona kama hii nyumbani? Baba. Unafanyaga shuleni CBC, si ndio? Singekuwa na shikashika na badisha kidogo. Hey guys, sometimes I'm shocked. Hii inaitwaje? Zeze, si ndio? Orot. Ni Luo. Orot. Mimi natoka Kisumu naenda Migori. Unajua Migori? Unapasikia? Hapa ndo nyumbani. Orot. Hamkuenda shule leo? Okay. Sorry, leo ni Saturday, si ndio? Pigia ngoma sasa. Gari sijui niache. Unasoma shule gani? Nazari. Wapi?
Rambe.
Iko kwenda huko? Hapo mbele. Hapa ndo nyumbani. Na ng'ombe umeachia nani? Huyu ni wenu? Akiwa si wenu, si ndio? Huyu ni rafiki. Guys, imagine at the same time he was grazing the cow right there. Acha mimi niende bana Migori. Yenyewe kweli una kipaji. Usiwe kicheze, umesikia? Usiwe kicheze, piga tu, unajaribu unapiga tu. Guys, I'm telling him he was talented, so they must to keep existence of making so many things, like to keep pushing the talent, guys. You heard? Haya.